Why is my brake pedal still soft after changing brake pads?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an issue that can puzzle many drivers. Why is the brake pedal still soft even after changing the brake pads? Let's break it down and explore some possible causes and solutions.
What is a soft brake pedal?
A soft or spongy brake pedal is one that goes to the floor easily when you press it. This is not normal behavior and can make your vehicle unsafe to drive. When you've just replaced the brake pads, you'd expect the brakes to feel firm and responsive, but sometimes they don't. Let's find out why.
What causes a soft brake pedal after pad replacement?
Air in the brake lines. The most common reason for a soft brake pedal is air in the brake lines. This can happen during the process of replacing the brake pads if the brake fluid reservoir was allowed to empty out at any point, letting air into the system. Improper bleeding procedure. If the brake system was not bled properly after replacing the brake pads, it might still contain air, leading to a spongy brake pedal. Bleeding the brakes is the process of forcing brake fluid through the system to push out any air that might be trapped inside. Damaged master cylinder. Another potential cause is a damaged or worn-out master cylinder. The master cylinder is a key component of your brake system that controls the pressure of the brake fluid. If it's failing, it might not be able to create enough pressure in the system, leading to a soft brake pedal.
What should I do to fix a soft brake pedal?
Bleed the brakes. If the issue is air in the brake lines, you'll need to bleed the brakes. This process involves forcing brake fluid through the system from the master cylinder, down to the brakes, to push out any trapped air. It's a job that can be done at home if you're comfortable with it, or at a garage if you're not. Replace or repair the master cylinder. If the master cylinder is the problem, it will likely need to be replaced or repaired. This is a more complex job that generally needs to be done by a professional mechanic. In conclusion, a soft brake pedal after changing the brake pads can be caused by several issues, but air in the brake lines and problems with the master cylinder are the most common. Regardless of the cause, it's important to address this issue promptly to ensure your vehicle is safe to drive. I hope this video has shed some light on this topic, and remember, when in doubt, always consult with a professional mechanic. Safe driving, everyone!